Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 6th March 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, just as you souls have received thrones in the form of your bodies, in the same way, the Father, who has no throne of his own, is sitting on the throne of this Dada. Question. What are the signs of those who are aware of being God's children? Answer. They have true love for the one Father. God's children never fight or argue with one another. They can never have impure vision. Since they have become Brahma Kumars and Kumaris, that is, they have become brothers and sisters, they cannot look at one another with impure vision. Song is, Leave your throne in the sky and come down to earth. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. Have mercy for yourself. Make your vision very good and pure. God has adopted you in order to change you from an ordinary human into a deity. Therefore, you must never have any thought of becoming impure. Number 2. In order to make your stage completely karmatit, constantly practice remaining beyond. Whilst seeing everything in this old world, do not see it. By constantly practicing this, you will make your stage constant. Blessing for today. May you become full of all treasures and satisfied by accumulating an income of multimillions at every step. Details are: these children who take every step in remembrance of the Father accumulate an income of multimillions at every step. It is only at this confluence age that you receive a mine of an income of multimillions. The confluence age is the age to accumulate. You can now accumulate as much as you want. Not even one step, that is, not even 1 second must go by when you do not accumulate anything, that is, it must not go to waste. Let your treasure store be constantly full. Let your world be such that it lacks nothing, such should be the sanskars. When you become that full and satisfied now, you will then become a master of the infinite treasures in the future. Slogan is, instead of becoming upset in any situation, remain seated on the seat of a knowledgeful soul. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Adopt the culture of truth and good manners. Let there be love and also sweetness, and so greatness in your words. Let there be truth in them, but also let there be humility in your form. Be fearless and speak with authority, but let your words be within the code of conduct. Let there be a balance of the two. Where there is a balance, you can see wonders, and those words are not harsh, they sound sweet. So, now show the wonder of a balance of authority and humility. This is the way to revel the Father.